passed through this road last month. It wasn't like this. I mean, so it only shows that work is ongoing here and tirelessly.
Once you just create road there,
Once you just create road there,
just create road, you can link it to there.
You know Epe Mark now? Since they has one land in this time, we came with one lady there. So I just decided, okay, they talk, I just said, let me just drive down, see what's happening at the back of it. You know, there are army barracks at the back of this place.
Are you serious?
I can't fear, say, what thing these people they hide for here, they do. The fear catch me. I can't look say
what an hideout.
People na kidnapper people, but I can't say okay, this one them behind
me.
I just immediately turn back, I just leave them so this kind of place, back of this place.
Yeah. Everywhere go they open. Then they like make people see them. And they tell you. So, okay,
sorry, I said length.
the height of the road is high. It's high. You can see? Men at work. Epe is not smiling. Epe is becoming very loud. lot of construction workers on site. I remember when they started this project last year. They started from Eleko. They started from Eleko to dig the road and all that.
No, I can't stay here. I can't stay here.
In Bega.
Yes.
And it's close to McDonald's.
Anytime I remember my bossy this to say, see where that's
That's the problem.
Don't buy land for that place now. This place will be there. You know, when they say you did.
You buy when the price is low, when it's still bush.
Naira get weight.
There's one video I saw I came across, and the man was like, he bought land in Shongotedo, 200,000 naira. Remember in the 90s?
It's possible.
200,000.
You don't want these guys.
And there are some estates in Shongotedo today. Land there per plot is 35 million.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not joking. I can show you a video of that.
The one
35
DJ Copy
million.
Father said that. The one DJ Copy Father said.
Sold.
So,
No, that one is different. This one is another man that mentioned it. That when he was having problem, Abi.
No, DJ Copy said he bought land in 90s. His father.
The father,
In 90
Then he was having some financial problem. He now sold those land and used it to offset what he needed the money for. That one went viral. Land. If you go my account, I don't get money. As I dey sell, I dey buy.
Even this place, this state, Ogun State, you know, it's very close to Lagos.
Yes.
That, I don't know, from Agbara to Sada Songo.
Agbara is Lagos State too.
No,
Agbara is not Lagos State. It's Ogun State.
That is their road.
It's
Yeah,
under
okay.
Ogun State
No,
local government.
when you are going to Badagry, the
Yeah.
right hand side is Ogun State.
Agbara
The
is
left hand
Ogun
side is
State.
Lagos State.
After Agbara, then you get to Badagry is Lagos. So there is a part of Ogun State that is attached to Lagos.
So many people want to go there, do business, live, but
You said
they
what?
they don't have
Who
foresight.
the
State
government
government.
doesn't have
I
foresight?
went to that
Ogun
road.
State.
Who they go? See,
Agbara to Lusada,
See,
Aton,
this government here,
Alta, where Winners Church is.
I know
Yes.
that.
Have you been to that road?
I know that. You know, this government we are now, they are so dubious and they are so how would I use that in English? I'm waiting for some people to come up. Okay, now Sanwo-Olu now is doing this Amboday's work that left me now. Other government that will not come now. Okay,
that
now.
is how it has been, my brother.
It's not supposed to be like that
Government
now.
have been going and coming,
Yes, now that's where I'm
Nobody's
going to
touching
now. It's not supposed to be like
see,
that.
the problem, why I say they don't have foresight. You see that along that road, Winners wanted to do that road.
They won't allow you.
They said if Winners, they will accept if only Winners drop so amount of money from there. This land allocation and whatever business, and there are so many companies there. It's because of this road construction and train Lagos State is doing. They would have made so much money.
Off it.
Yes, now so many companies.
That's
in
why
that
Lagos
Ogun
is
State, that's
different.
Agbara, like Ibesa.
That's why Lagos is different. Very different.
Every time you see the company's truck falling down on the road with their goods because of bad road.
At that Agbara.
Agbara to Lusada.
Don't think they don't know about that road though.
No,
Lagos
they've
State,
awarded the contract.
they won't do it.
No, what happened now is
Agbara is not Lagos. It's in Ogun
no,
State.
it's not Lagos. Recently, that they started pulling the electric poles backwards and then fixing new ones. They started pulling the
So
side.
we're getting closer to the particular bridge that links us to Epe precisely. So we're just very, very close. This is the water. When you say Epe water, this is it too. This is it. You can see constructions as the ongoing. You can see the tape and all that.
Another bridge there. You see, that side there. You see?
The water side now.
that place.
to run another bridge. He's going to show you. So, as you can see, the second side of the bridge has started. Can you see it? The second side of the bridge has started. Can you see it? This is very impressive. So these are the things that are going to really make properties here. Boom. I mean, these are just it. Can you see their sand? Very red. Ah, Epe. I swear, this place there. Can you see? That's the other side of the bridge. Ready? Ready for the second bridge to Epe. So we are close. This is the Epe fish. Now Epe is actually known for fishery. That's why you can see this lovely fish in the middle. Yeah, can you see it? So we just turn to our left. I mean, so you can see some lovely location in Epe. One of the good things I love about Epe is that most of the roads are tarred. When I mean tarred, they are tarred. Now this is another relaxation area here. Over here is the Epe Resort. Can you see it? Can you see it? That's the Epe Resort. And while we drive down, you get to see a lot of more axes in this location. My love for Epe is just too large because Epe is becoming very loud. A lot of people didn't see this coming. Some people that saw it were able to secure their 6 plots. So while we drive down, I mean, you would so much enjoy all this location. Now one of the good things I love about Epe is that most of the land, I mean, around these houses are dry, but the ones we are driving to, when I tell you 100% dry, put your leg in the soil, you'll be like, thank you for giving me this property. Now you can see that the whole Epe road, they all have street lights. Yeah, can you see the street light? And this is so lovely. Now Epe is known for fishery. I mean, if you want to get good fish, you should be in Epe. Now for those who are looking at owning holiday home, they want somewhere they can relax, they want location that is very lovely. I mean, these are locations where you can have all of that. So anyway, if you're new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button below, turn on your notification bell to get notified on each download post right under Ilara TV. Follow us up on all of our social media platforms and ask us a lot of questions regarding your real estate investment right here in Nigeria. So I'm going to be showing you some lovely location. This is a very hotel around here. Now, would you want to have an holiday home here, or you want to just visit Epe and go to the spa, or you just want to secure your plot of land before some of these prices of properties in these houses increase? Now, inside Lagos, when I mean inside Lagos, the mainland aspect, Lekki area, all those sites are getting very pricey when it comes to properties. And while you are checking out on where you can have, I mean, prices of properties that is not so expensive, then you should be considering this. So this is Emergency and Security Regional Dispatch Unit, built by Lagos State Government. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is one of the government projects that you should know, and that's a major landmark for us to turn to where we are going to. Can you see it? Can you see that Lagos is not smiling when it comes to Epe? Yep. Yeah, so while we moved straight down, we just turned, and let's keep going. Let's keep going, and let's talk about Epe. Now, a few years ago, I'm sure some of you watching this video, some people must have proposed Epe to you, and you're like, that place is too far. It's too far. Now, I picked up this video all the way from Ilara, and from Eleko to Ilara is less than 5 minutes drive. And for me to pick the video from there up to this moment, you must have seen how the drive is. Now we are going to also be checking out some axes. We're going to be checking out some axes. But for you to know the major developments in Epe, I'll just be sharing my own opinion with you right in this video. This is a typical video just to share with you what Epe looks like and what you can get within these houses. And I also share with you the promo offer running on this property. I mean, it's important you also understand the promo offer and ready to secure your space right here on time. So for those who are thinking of Epe, what can you find in Epe? Now, first, I always consider major development within Epe, which is the federal road construction ongoing. Both the one that runs from the Eleko to Epe and the one from Epe to Ijebu, those are really big. I mean, they are major. And because of that, so many people have been securing their space in these houses, and you should not be left out. You should not be left out in videos like this, especially seeing inside Epe what it looks like. Epe also is known for good soil. When it comes to you trying to build, it's very, very important. All right, so this is another school. So this is another school within Epe, and all right, so we move. Okay. So you might also be wondering, what more do we have here within Epe? Now, Epe is also known for a very peaceful environment. I mean, if you want an environment where you can actually find peace and you can move home away from home, I mean, you want to go off the hustle and bustle of Lagos, Epe is a major spot for you. Now, all of the road network within Epe, the major road network, are all tarred. When I mean tarred, I mean this is what it is. So, for everyone who understands Epe very well, you might also be checking out on what are also closer to this location, which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. We've got some beautiful locations within Epe that you can also get to know. We have the universities, we have schools, we have the hospital. There's one new hospital, the maternity for women that government just made. I mean, for children and women. It's really, really important. You have, I mean, a beautiful view of it. There's a video I made about that particular place, so if you haven't watched that video, please ask so that I can share those information with you. It's very important. So over here we're going to be turning left. We're turning left and we'll drive straight down. So let's see. Some more locations within these houses. So we are close to the Otedola College. Can you see it? Can you see this is Otedola College? Yeah. And we are just going to be driving straight more down, then can have a lot to share about Epe. Once you are planning to buy a property, it's important you're actually seeing what the location looks like. I mean, while you're trying to buy a property in a particular location. So you can see that the whole location is busy. We have people who are living in these houses. I mean, they drive all the way from this location, or they pay transport from this location to VI to work every day. That's the truth. That's the truth. And once you're thinking of an investment, you need to consider how that particular location is developing. And if you can buy properties when the price is low, it's also a plus for you. It's also, I mean, something you really need. And once you are contacting HTH and Pearl Limited, this is just what it is. You get it as you see it. So while we drive down, you might also be wondering, oh, where is it turning into the property where you want to buy? Now, this video is specifically for a lot of our HTH investors who buy properties through us, and they have opportunity to also get the turning. This is another turning in Ilara. Okay, this is another turning. Now we are getting closer, all right, to where we have our favorite, when I mean our favorite property, the latest property in town that is running on a fat promo. Yeah, whoa, wow. Yeah, whoa, wow. All right, so while we drive down, get ready. This is my Otedola housing estate. Yeah, can you see it? This is one of the top estates in Epe, and so we're going to be driving straight down, and you have opportunity to throw in your questions and also throw in what you feel you need to confirm, because this is just what it is. Now, that particular turning, you already know the landmark, which is the Otedola housing estate. So once you get there, you already know that, oh, this is closer. Now, there is a school here called Adeshonwo Junior and Senior Grammar School, Ilara. All right, that's another great one. And we just move. Anyway, if you haven't still subscribed, please do that right now. And it's always important to get to see, I mean, that we're actually driving down here with a client, and this is great. This is nice. I mean, the road drive is amazing, and I'm super excited that we came here. Some clients who have watched our video, they also watched the road drive video. They are impressed. So I'm just going to be showing, this is a block industry, okay, and like I always mention, one of the things I like about Epe is the dry land. I mean, the dry land. Boom, we are fast approaching. This is turning to Augustine University. I told you that, I mean, there's going to be a turning that will take us down to where we have this particular property. Can you see it? All right, so we've turned and we move. We are still moving. Yeah. And for goodness sake, what more would you need than buying land when the price is low? You need to be considering buying when the price is low. Don't wait until the price is high before you start showing interest. And the promo on this land would really interest you, because the promo is one of a kind within these 4 shores of Epe. Promo would really interest you. So for those who also want something within this house, when it comes to house, please let us know. And right here is the St. Augustine University. Okay, so I'm going to just capture this so that you can see it. Can you see it? That is St. Augustine University, one of the popular private university in Epe. Very popular. All right, and this is what it looks like. Can you see it? It is very big. You know, I did not enter inside, so I cannot cover everywhere. I can only cover the few that I can see. Now, what does it take to even own plots of land close to the university? It means in future you can actually have lovely hostels. You can decide to build cinemas. Yeah, you can decide to have, lovely location around the houses.
Where they build them?
Okay, be like tourist center.
And church.
And the good thing about this location is, it is very calm, very peaceful. That's just one of the good things about it. Very peaceful. Very peaceful.
I know that lady.
You know her?
She has bought land in this place we are going to also.
Really? That's it. So people keep investing, especially Epe. Even me, I get land for Epe. I must not lost for this. I've once bought a land 200k when I was in university. So when I finished school, I wanted to do my masters abroad. I sold it for 3 million. The land, my leg could not reach there. It was even water, swampy. Yes. So I only pointed it because it's the same set of people I used to buy the property. So yes, I sold it. So I believe that it's genuine. So I got there. I could not reach where the land is. But today, where the land is, there is house there. People are built. So it was only my land that was like vacant. I need money now. I sold it. I'm telling you.
And the person that bought you will be happy that
it was as if I should go and give the money back and collect it. When my master's program didn't work abroad, I say, it's if I should go and collect my money back. Too late. But what I did for myself was to carry that money and buy, how do you know, buy another property. That's what I did. That's exactly what I did. Another interesting location.
It's motorable, bad road.
Yes, so motorable. There is one person I called one day. I took the client on inspection to Lekki. He's been in abroad for years. Do you understand? For more than 20 years. When this man got to Lekki, he almost cried. The house I went to show him in Lekki, he said, it's fine, but he knew when land here was 2 million. It's more like you can't turn back the hands of time. Lekki, nobody wants to buy property in Lekki. Even my mother, my own mom refused to buy land in Lekki. She bought in Ikorodu. Yes. He said, cannot buy in Lekki. What? But one of our friends then bought in Awoyaya. That woman did not wait to resign work. Did not wait to retire before she resigned. She resigned her work happily. You understand? She resigned her work. Easily. She resigned her work 300 square meter and sold one, and that one she dey enjoy. There is still 300 square meters. Do you understand? That she has not touched. Even recently, I had a client who was looking for line away, and I called her. That man. And I called that man. Please, that your land. Are you ready to sell? I have somebody buy her. She said, no. I'm not ready to sell. No. She said, how much the person want to buy? I said, how much you want to sell now? I said, she will sell 50 million. I said, man, in a way, yeah. Man, it's not up to that now. Do you understand? I started calculating that this is the market price for where yeah. Can't just give it like that. For where? She said she's not selling. I'm not selling. I was not saying, imagine my mom bought paying with that. Do you know what would have happened? That's just it. Life. Lagos State Model College is around here. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Just turned right.